blankie, Audrina.
Benji! No,
Benji, don't be chewing up the presents.
No, Benji.
Come on, get your toy. Get your toy. Get your toy, Benji. Get. Fetch, huh?
Here we are, a cold December night. Snow.
It is so early. It's Christmas Eve. So we have a long day ahead of us. It's the second day with the puppy. And oh my. Myles, can you please pick up your cup?
Yeah.
He wants to go play with Toki. Watch, we'll put him down and see what he does.
Let's see what he does. Benji.
I just want to play. Do you gotta go potty, Benji? Do you gotta go potty? It is really dark outside because it is really early.
Flakes fall, wonderful.
Are you still giving Toki tensions? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Alexis. It is Christmas Eve. I am at my grandma's house. That's my sister Elena. The kids are eating breakfast. If you are new here, this is Myles. That's Audrina. This is baby Elijah. And we just got a dog named Benji who is somewhere around here.
Bounce, there's my bouncy.
The baby's here.
Hi, dude.
But I wasn't touching him. He was
Are
legit
you
just, like,
eating
bridging
Aunt
over.
Elena?
Yes, he's really trying.
I mean, I wasn't holding him.
What are you
I was safe
doing?
as net and him in.
What are you
But
doing?
it was super funny.
Hi!
I sure do love you. Is Loki still your favorite dog, though?
Myles did just try to get you.
No, Benji.
Oh, but Loki's way more lovable.
At least you didn't try and say cuter.
Actually, this big bag is for you and your
Help him, Gina. Condor Panda.
Here's mine. Here's for Myles.
Oh, somebody wants to be on Mom's shit list for the next year.
Why, what is that?
Fucking slime. Oh, more slime. Wow. Something to play with. No, he would, like, that's probably gonna be the first thing he asks to play with. It's whatever, we have hard food anyways. Is that super cool? Yeah, what else is in here? There's another thing in here for you. I think that's for you. It's a little Yeti blanket. What'd you get, Trina? Is that a baby in a bath? Oh, so strong.
Trina's like, yeah, baby.
I was waiting. Look, this wasn't the one but do the same thing.
You're
Yeah.
a baby.
Oh!
I know you like that game, huh?
Has he played that before?
No.
I guess we're ready. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma.
Happy birthday to you.
Jaina, sit your butt down.
That's pretty cool.
So we are back home. I went to my grandma's house this morning with the dog and the kids to celebrate Christmas and her birthday. And then we came home. We've been home maybe for like 10 minutes. The kids already started playing with their presents that they got at my grandma's. Right now, Jay is in there making them slime. He had to work today. That's why... Sorry, I keep looking down. Like, he's so bad about eating stuff. I'm obviously taking the dog out. But, he likes to sit and eat stuff. And he can't do that. Come on, Benji. Quit, bud. Come on. Come on. Come on. And there's a stick that I keep on every time because he likes to potty on this side of the house. So I just bring him over here, and there's these sticks that keep on whacking me in the head too. But I don't even remember what I was saying. I haven't vlogged in a really long time. I do really bad during the holidays, mentally wise, I feel like. And it's hard for me to. Like last year around this time is when I was like, oh, I'm gonna start YouTube, and then just a lot of stuff happened, and like honestly this time of year hasn't been that bad as last year was, but my mental health just is not the greatest and is all over the place. I like came on here to tell you guys that we were home and that we were going to Jay's mom's house in a little bit, but I got sidetracked and started rambling about other stuff. Okay, bud. Are we going in? Oh. It's okay.
Yuck. This is
Yuck.
the second
Just
set.
kidding. That's the second set.
Oh, yuck. That was gross.
Was it?
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, dewy. So dewy. That dewy. Yuck.
This is our first time leaving him, and I feel really bad. It's gonna be okay, buddy. And I feel bad for the neighbor because she's gonna be listening to him cry.
Look at us now.
You can open them, I guess.
Walking around in the snow.
I don't know.
It's a box.
It's a box.
What's in the box?
I don't know.
Bike helmet.
Pretty cool. Yeah.
What's in this one? Ooh, another box. It has to be a ball or something.
No, usually means clothes in the box. We'll see.
What's up? No way! This is my first big transformer. That's my first big transformer. Yeah, it's not another box. Yeah. What did you get?
Lucky.
Oh. Look. It's a picture.
Just in the red.
Dad.
So cute. Is the picture?
Yeah, that's a picture on the box.
What kind of boots are those though?
Rain boots.
No, they're firefighter rain boots, dude.
Yeah, I used to have, I have those, but they don't fit.
Yeah, now you have a pair that will fit your hair.
But those kinds,
You got a box.
another box.
Hey,
Did you get
You got Paw
dude,
Patrol
like, you
on.
got a Paw Patrol bike helmet? Awesome.
You got a bunch of Pete's Cat books. Dude.
What the heck? That's so cool. What's in this? Pikachu! 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 Pikachu!
Did you get a Paw Patrol blankie?
I know a tiger blanket.
Yeah, this is your tiger blanket.
Yeah, and a Paw Patrol one? No way. Is that a snowman? No, snowman. It's in this box.
What is it?
Hey, are you kidding me?
Touch, buddy.
What? No.
Paw Patrol? It's a
blanket
blanket with a hood on it.
Yeah, but
So you can look like Batman. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
that's what I meant. Oh, I forgot the reason one now. What is it? It's drip. I got drip
You got drift?
from Angel Kitchen.
Yeah.
You got, what is that?
Did you get a robe?
Thrifty drift. Look, he also comes with him sword.
Uh-huh.
And other. Look at this little thing. What is it? What is it? Oh, is it action figure? It looks like action figure. Oh, it is an action figure. Oh, it's a book.
Got a book.
And that piece of tablet's in that? Look. What the hell? Is this a nerd book? Oh, it is a nerd book.
Nice side book.
Yeah.
Those are sweet.
Yeah, I love these books. Yeah, I feel this film, but I don't think I'm a lot. Whoa, it's a costume of Pikachu.
Yeah, you got a ball.
What's in here? Did you remember what I told you, Mama, about this present?
What do you think it is?
I don't know, but it looks like a hat. Oh, it is a hat.
You got a hat.
It's a movie. I gotta show.
What did you get? Is it a Transformer movie?
No, it's a Transformer show.
Yeah. You got a Peppa Pig movie
Paw Patrol.
and Paw Patrol.
Let's go pick this. It's like, Warners, do not even get this box.
You're so cute.
Do see that.
Yeah.
I
Oh, you got a baby.
knew if you had
the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, oh, oh. I've been good, but I can last. Hurry, Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bad toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Oh, little bad toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Santa is coming.
Hey guys, so it is Christmas morning or afternoon now, but we ended up going to Jay's mom's house. I didn't vlog at all while I was there just because they're not really like a social media family really. I don't know, I guess I could have, but sometimes I just feel weird. I haven't really been vlogging either, so it's even weirder when you like stop and then start again. I'm not like doing this all the time, so I feel like I'm awkward on camera myself, so it's awkward to film a bunch of other people. But yeah, that was Christmas Eve. So yesterday was Christmas Eve, and I went to my grandma's house for Christmas, and then her birthday, and then we went to Jay's mom's house for Christmas, and we woke up this morning and had Christmas with like us as a family. And then my dad came over to have like Christmas with them, with my sister's son Luca. And yeah, we're just like hanging out. I'm like really exhausted. I haven't been like filming because my mental health just has not been the greatest. I've kind of noticed with last year and this year, I really don't do good around the holidays. Like about 2 weeks before my birthday up until I'd probably say like February, my mind is just really not in the greatest of places, and I don't know why that is, but it's definitely been a lot. And then getting the puppy is a lot. Like my eczema is really, really bad right now because my stress levels are really, really high, and honestly I feel like having a dog is harder than having a baby, and I'm gonna be having a baby and a dog soon, and 2 other kids, and it's just a lot. And then I'm starting the winter semester January 13th, so pray for me. But on the topic of school, I did pass my 3 classes that I was taking in the fall semester, which was like another reason why I wasn't filming, was because I was just like kind of far, like I got really far behind in schoolwork this past semester because I'm really bad at procrastinating. I do it all the time and I regret it every single semester. Well, I've only been to 2 semesters, but like I did it the first semester and the second semester. Hopefully I won't procrastinate this semester that's coming up, because I feel like I could have gotten better grades in all of my classes if I didn't procrastinate. I mean, I still got passing grades and like grades that I'm okay with, besides with 1 class. But like I tried really hard in that class, and I just think it was like the professor more than anything on the reason why I got a grade like I did. But it was still passing, so that's like really all that matters in my opinion. I finished my semester and I'm starting another semester in January, excuse me. And I just like, I always say I'm going to try, but I'm actually going to start doing more YouTube stuff because I want to. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy editing videos and I enjoy filming. So it's hard for me to do things that I enjoy because my mind is so fucked up sometimes. And I've said in the past, like I don't want to put myself out there when I'm like feeling vulnerable, or like when I'm like sad or depressed or like really anxious or like just like having troubles control, like feeling just like really like irritated and like hot-headed, I guess. Like my emotions are like a roller coaster, which I think all people's are, but like I'm not really good at controlling my emotions. I mean, that's kind of why I'm in DBT therapy, is to understand and control my emotions better. But other than all of that, life is pretty good. Me and Jay are getting along really well, which isn't really anyone's business, but just so you guys know, we are. The dog is a little much, but the kids are doing really well. Myles is doing great in school. Audrina did really good in her like daycare little class. She won't be going back to daycare when I go start my next semester because I'm doing all online. So I'm just gonna be home alone with the dog and Audrina, and then eventually Elijah. But we're hoping that all goes good, and hopefully with me being home I will be filming more, because I feel like a lot of it is, it's like I never had time to just like sit down. Like it was like trying to film while you're on the run all the time is really hard, because it's like I'm worried about breaking the camera. I already have anxiety being out and about with the kids, and like I don't like filming or doing anything that takes my attention away from the kids when we're out and about, because I'm like terrified that we're gonna be kidnapped or something. So paranoia 101. I'm gonna go inside and see what they're doing. Having 3 children, soon to be 4, is a lot, because I'm sorry, but that dog is a fucking baby. Like, he is literally like having a child. It's bright as F outside. My dad and Luca just left. I'm about to just fold all of these clothes that are on the table, probably do the dishes, and put Bina down for a nap. The puppy is napping. It kind of smells in here.